All right, now we dive into an overview of section 3. The first section that you tackled was the Python fundamentals, of course, where you had two subsections here that were covering the basics of the Python course within the Kaggle courses section. So you were able to get exposed to Python, some very basic fundamental concepts there. Here you had section 2, and you were looking at pandas, which is a really very useful library. Next, after that, you actually dove into some data science related to the built environment in a simulation data processing video. And of course, in both of those sections, you had this last subsection focused on real world data science tools and applications. Last time you looked at the design phase. Now, this section 3, which you're starting this week, is where you're diving into data cleaning and the construction phase. So building upon our theme of the different life cycle phases of the building industry, design, construction, operations, we're now in the construction phase. This is really where we dive deeper into pandas, use of pandas, data cleaning using pandas and some other libraries, and data cleaning applications on the Building Data Genome 2 project. So in section 3 with these subsections, let me just give an overview of what you'll be learning. So if you go into this first section, this is the section that basically you're in right now, where you have the different parts of the construction phase and then the introductory videos, which you're watching right now. In the second subsection, in section 3, data cleaning fundamentals, this is where you dive into the Kaggle course for data cleaning, which I can show here. Data cleaning has 5 lessons. Each of the lessons covers a certain part of pandas and the capabilities of pandas and a few other libraries. This course takes supposedly 4 hours. This 4-hour time period is related to whether you do the exercises or not. So the exercises in each of these lessons is you can do the tutorial, which I cover in the videos. The exercises is completely optional. It allows you to dive a bit deeper into the certain concepts if you'd like to. That's not required for this course, in fact. So if you go through these different videos in this, you probably get through them in about 1 hour. This is a set of lessons developed by an educator named Rachel. You can learn more about Rachel and Software Carpentry, which is a workshop provider that she does a lot of things with. She has a PhD in linguistics, so she has done quite a few things in this area. So she covers the top 3 lessons are really very useful for the next subsection related to time series data analysis in Python and pandas. There are a couple lessons at the end which are more applicable to text analysis and loading text, which are still useful, but not quite as related to the second subsection. That second subsection, if I zoom out here, is data cleaning applications. This is really where you dive into the Building Data Genome 2, which is the foundation for 2 of the tasks for the group project. But here you're going to have an introduction to the Building Data Genome 2. You're going to learn about plotting time series data, comparing data from different buildings, weather influence on energy consumption. So you're going to dive in pretty deeply into the Building Data Genome 2 project, which will be very helpful in the context of understanding the 2 tasks that are potential options for your group project. Last but not least is a subsection focused on construction phase data science. So you can see various aspects of tools and applications of data science in that domain.